What are we down? Minus 3 ticks. ES is down 1 point on the day. How far is the IB high from where we are here? 40 points. As I told you, 96% of the days it takes out one of them, and it shows the IB low. No need to trade this. We don't know where we're at. This was the biggest obvious place to go long down in here, which the best entry was here. Could have done a little bit lower. Was I in that? I forget where I was long now. Oh, those are the trades I did. Okay. Sorry to be so zoomed in, but there's just so much going on here. There's not a trade for me here, so just on a 30-second scale here. Let's mark out what's happening. Is this stuff not magic? It's crazy.
It's beautiful. How do you create a line off of a line? Is that a Maestro thing, or is that something in TradingView that you can do? Like a
Say that one more time. Say that one more time.
How you just duplicated your break line.
Control copy, Control V, just like you do in a word processing document. Yeah, Command C, Command V. Or I can hit the last key on my Stream Deck and it puts whatever last line I did.
Awesome. Thank you.
Because if you look at my screen for a second, let's say you do kick out this little caret, it'll tell you what the shortcuts are. Where so for me, for a horizontal line, it's whatever this is. I'm sure, I guess that's Command J. So on my Stream Deck, one of my buttons is Command J. So it'll do that shortcut for me. So if you want to memorize a couple shortcuts, they're in TradingView.
Yeah, on Windows, when you want to duplicate an item, you can just press Control and drag it away, and then you have a duplicate.
Go. Yes, that's true too. I forgot about that. You can just, is it Control or is it Command? It's one of them, but yes, you're correct. I forgot about that. All right, so it already had a first touch bounce, so I don't expect it to bounce again. This now becomes a hold level back here. It'd be nice to see it take that out because I'm looking down the chessboard. I'm seeing this as a possible upcoming level. I hate that it came back and touched it. This would be a next possible level that would have a fair value gap. I really want to see that thing go up, not come back and touch it. Yeah, not happy with that. So nothing.
I did take a small, long, very small off of the midnight level.
Oh, good job, John. Well, the last sentence is good job. Very good. Cool.
One of the things that did help me decide on that midnight level added a little bit of influence for me because it was below yesterday's closing price was right in the middle of right at the midnight level was the August low monthly candle. Okay. 39.53.
All right, let's see what happens here. I didn't want to influence anyone, but I am long off the break. Hold on, let me mark this. And I'll come back and manage my trade. So I went long off that break, thinking that that would be the most likely area they would defend it the most. I'm going to lock in a point plus commission. I mean, I could care less if all I make is $6. There we go. I'm going to lock in 2 points. All right, there's 50% for sure. And if it comes back and gets me, I don't care. I'll take my 2 points and reset. Come on. Get up there. I got to see the chart. All right. Let's move you over here just so I can slightly see better. All right. Single MES. I don't mind doing single MESs. And if it comes back and gets me, oh well. It came back and got me, oh well, 2 points. I'll take it. All right, let me mark my trade. Here to here. This. Put that at my entry. Reset my thinking here. I don't realize we're on a 30-second chart. We're on a really low time frame. Go to 1 minute, 3 minute. Does 3 minute give me anything? Nothing. What will it do here? Here. We go to 3 minutes on those. Okay, that finishes a 3 minute fair value gap. I want to bring this up for the 5 minutes. Let's go down to 30 seconds. One advantage of going small with just a single contract is you can't have a runner. And you got to kind of, you either in or you're out. So although I made 2 points on that, I was like, man, why didn't I enter with more than one? It's okay. Honest, I don't care. Plenty of trades in a day.
On a 15-minute chart, George, we from the sell-off earlier this morning, this morning, and we are right at a, unfortunately, candles blue, white. So technically, I think we should be at a hold level right now. I think we're probably going to pull back to about 58, which is the bottom of two bodies that are equal. So somewhere around a pullback to 58. And then another push up is kind of what I'm seeing based on a 15-minute chart.
If I took that short, you got a quick bounce there. Man, I had longs lined up right down here above this break. I'll just delete them. I was hoping we would bounce here, come back and pick up my longs, prepared for a little bit more. And then that's what I was looking at. A couple chess moves down the road. 3 minute chart.
Yeah, I'm sitting with limits at that second break based off that 15-minute chart I was just referencing. We'll see what happens.
Well, dang it. Oh, well. I didn't definitely go back to 58, did it? I pushed through hard.
The 1 minute fair value gap from the 15-minute fair value gap.
All right. See what happens. Back to the battleground. Well, dang it. I actually was going to go long on size.
Europe in 10.
61, 25, 61. I had the boys lined up. Didn't get back there. And that's why I love laddering up trades or laddering down. I don't care. All right, let's go back to 3 minute. Let's clear it up. Still got to have this level here. This break. You're up in 10. I don't know what I did with my arrow. Definitely balance. Either shorts or longs. But now, with that pullback, to me, this becomes an origin. Most likely we'll have another pullback. I wanted to be in a long rushing to that. It's okay.
To be clear, because either you or I said it, I pulled my orders. I'm only assuming that you did the same, George, just so people know that they're no longer sitting there waiting for price action to come
Absolutely
back.
not.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Just want to make sure.
Yeah,
Cool.
thank you. Yeah, good. Good clarification. Yeah. So when we were in here, I had orders stacked here for the next ladder up. And I really thought price was going to bounce off this level a little stronger, but it didn't to come back, but it's fine. It did exactly what we, right, straight up. Cool. 3 minutes. You do have a level here. This is nothing on a 3 minute. Whoops. This is nothing. Lot of obstruction right here. Yep, I have nothing here other than usually at these origins. Now, this might have been a strong enough pullback to break it, but because you have these additional structures in our way, it's hard for that army to advance through it. So it might have to do another big pullback before it breaks this origin. And origins is something you will get to in the cotton training. In fact, cotton even goes as far to say that price action does nothing but go from origin to origin on a larger time frame. And we wait. I'll be back. Okay, about 15 more minutes here and we'll stop analyzing price action and do the end of the day charts. In fact, I'm going to turn off the recording now because I think we've hit. And